Hi YouTube, it's B12ADYS, aka the best looking ugly kid. Back at it again with another commission, living the dream. It's just been non-stop, back-to-back jobs. And today I'm doing a beauty salon. So I'm doing a logo for B12ADYS, aesthetic practitioner. So that's going on behind me. I've got the sketch outlined and now I'm going to start colouring it in. Because it's quite a detailed design, I'm going to spray the base, so the main flat colours I'm going to spray, and then outline it in black paints or acrylic paints. I'm going to use a brush just to get it really crisp. So as you can see, I've got the base colours down now, and I'm going to start doing the outline with a black acrylic paint and a paintbrush just to keep the mess to a minimal. I don't want lots of overspray anywhere. We've got the white background, so I want to keep it nice and fresh and clean with the paintbrush. So we're getting there, doing the black outline now. I'm using a thicker brush for the circle. I've done the circle with the thicker brush and the thinner brush for the lettering, just because it's more precise and you can get more detail. So I'm just on a lunch break and I appear to have some friends. Oh no, they're gone now. So we're finally getting there. Logo's looking crisp. I've just got to add the red around the edges of the the lettering, so a red drop shadow, and then a few little touch-ups, but it's just gone 5:30, so round about home time, 6 o'clock, should be finished. Right, so we've reached the end of the video. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and smash that like button. Peace.